Hi, we're here today at Newman Tractor. My name is John Tucker, and we're going to be talking about the MB50 FINN Material Blower. The MB50 is a material blower that places mulch where it needs to go. It's a point and shoot. This machine will save you 30% in material. It saves you with a lot of labor. With 3 guys, you're able to spread 70 to 100 yards of mulch every day. So today we're going to walk around and talk about the features and benefits of this machine. This is the MB50 Material Blower. It has a 65 horse Cummins diesel engine that is directly coupled to a low blower. The blower roughly blows at 725 CFM at 12 PSI, so it's high volume, low pressure. Over here is your intake filter. It's very important to clean this out daily. If you don't, what happens is it builds up a bunch of material. As the material gets dumped in here, it's kind of like a vacuum and it sucks it in. Here you have your hose. So this holds a 150 foot by 4-inch hose. This is a hydraulic rewind. There's a button down here. So at the end, you kind of give it one wrap around the hose reel, and then you can press this button and it'll automatically wind back up. There is a safety latch on this. It is very important that that is closed in transportation mode. If this bungee cord is not on there, that this hose will unwind. As the mulch is dumped into the back of the machine, this chain floor brings it to the back. This is called a pick wheel. And as the pick wheel turns, all it does is kind of fluff up the material, break up any larger clumps, and kind of drive that material down into the airlock. This is what makes the whole thing work. As that air is pressurized from that blower, it comes through this series of tubes down through the bottom and pressurizes this chamber. So as the mulch feeds in, it falls into these pockets down here, and as it turns, it drops down into that airstream and then comes out the end of the hose. It's very important to make sure that they have good material. This material is ground up well with no foreign debris in it. For where you start the machine, to get the remote to work, make sure the e-stop is taken out. You're going to press the green button in the back. That's going to turn it on. You want to make sure your RX and TX are flashing. If the engine throttles up, it's all working. To get the machine to start blowing material, you're going to hit the material start on this and then stop on this. So now I have full control of the machine. When we do that, so the guy that's running the remote isn't behind a building and someone isn't in here for any unforeseen reason. Down here you have your clean out. That needs to be dropped daily. At the end of the day, just drop it, pull forward, scoop the mulch, throw it back in the hopper. It is very important, especially like today where it's super cold in the morning. If that isn't cleaned out and you have a block of frozen mulch in there, I have seen it blow this apart, and then you have a tarp. So you can fill this full of 5 yards of mulch, drive to your job site, and start mulching. Typically what's needed for this machine to run is 3 guys. You have a guy at the end of the hose that has full control of the machine via a remote, a helper, and typically a guy loading it. As far as towing capabilities for this machine, a 1-ton pickup truck or a dump truck is good enough. If you're interested in saving time and money and want to get your jobs done faster, please give Newman Tractor a call today to set up your reservation.